Okay guys, good morning. It is around 11 o'clock. We are heading to the Strawberry Festival. This is my first time. My sister's spoken about the Strawberry Festival before in the past. She used to go when she was at USF, Go Bulls. So this is our first time, and then it's obviously Kellan's first time. So this is a family outing that we're going to be having. We're meeting up our friends, the friends that were here the other day in Orlando, going to Disney. So now we're going closer to their side of the world. Not really, because it's Plant City, so it's kind of like in the middle.
An hour from both of us.
It's 45 minutes from them. They're in like Tampa proper, and then we are in good old South Central Florida, right? I guess you could call Davenport like South Central Florida, but it's gonna be lots of fun. I'm assuming I watched like one video about the Strawberry Festival and like kind of what it entails. So we are going to be kind of your tour guide. We're novice tour guides, so don't expect like no true tour guide-y type stuff. We're just gonna be exploring the festival and eating lots of food, hopefully. I'm excited because, you know, I've never experienced like a hometown kind of festival. Like we've had Pembroke Pines like fairs and stuff like that, but this is supposed to be like, you know, the history of it. It really is like farmers coming together, selling their fruits. People would come in, they would have I don't know how long this is. I'm not gonna pretend like I know how long they've been doing this, but Marsha went to college. If I went to college, this year will be 20 years ago that I started college. So Marsha's roughly maybe 25 years. So it's more than 25 years that they've been doing this festival. So again, we're gonna check in and show you all the cool festival strawberry like treats and what they have to offer. So
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
I'm Lisa Lovely, this is Mac, and if you like the content, and I hope you do, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification because we do this quite often. We have been dropping videos lately 3 times a week. Hopefully I can keep that trend going because we are doing a lot of exciting things lately, and we are also doing a couple rewind videos, which are just old videos that we've filmed and just never put out. So again, continue following and watching. Again, continue to watch because we got some cool stuff coming up. Oh, and we're heading right now to Publix. So if you are going to the Strawberry Festival, they have them for a discounted rate of $8 for adults, and children I think are 6 to 12, and they have them for $6. If you go to the website, it's $10 and $8, I think, right? $10 and $8 on the website. But there's also a convenience fee, and you know I don't like convenience fees, so that's why we're going to Publix right now to get the discounted tickets. Yeah,
it's actually cheaper to go in person.
Yeah, if you go to the actual festival and pay, it's gonna be the same price minus the convenience fee. So if you want to do it that way, but like I said, I like a good discount because that's $2 each person I could be saving to go in and maybe buy a water.
I don't really get what the benefit to buying it online at that point is, because like I get it, convenience fee. Yeah. But what is the convenience? You're actually physically going there. Yes. So if it's the same price as at the gate, just wait till the gate or go to your local Publix.
Sorry, when you using one hand to to vlog and the other hand to help baby in the background. But we'll check back in real soon.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
And go solar.
And go solar. Yo, he just be spitting out some like tips for you guys. Okay? These are like words of wisdom. Go solar and wash your hands.
Get the jackets out.
So we arrived. It is hella hot. But the first thing to note is that some people on the street, I guess near the festival, have parking available. We are parked at a school, and it's $10, but towards people's homes, some people are charging $5, some people are charging $10, and then just walking towards the festival. I don't know how much it is at the actual festival, but I'll update you and tell you on that. there's a lot of people here. It's hot, and it is Sunday. It's afternoon, so it's kind of expected. But we'll see as we get in there. Any things you want to add, babe?
No, I am watching this guy try to do this back part right now.
And he's nervous. Okay. So yeah, we'll keep updating you on how the day is going. Oh, he's
Cool, bro.
Yeah. So.
Just missed you saw the guy that mixed these?
No, I never saw him.
Old white guy trying to talk to this young black girl I walked past with her kid. I was like, yo, I need a sugar mama. I started singing about Little Red Riding Hood at her and thing. She have like long red, like fire red hair. It's the funniest thing ever.
Should you give him the number?
No, she just kind of laughed and joined the line.
Yeah, guys, so we are at the Strawberry Festival. It is busy. The lines are long for food as well as for the rides. It is a very nice environment. Very nice environment. The food we've had is thus far, I haven't had a chance to kind of record anything, but the food we had already was a red velvet funnel cake. We did like a chicken chop kind of thing. That was good. That was the chop was about $12. So the first thing we did was a funnel cake. How much is funnel cake? I think it was like $7, $10. Okay, $10 for red velvet funnel cake. Then we did like a chicken chop. That was $12. Our friend did a cheesesteak. That was $12. $13 if you're using our card. So the items are a little pricey, but food in general is pricey, so expect that. Try to bring cash because it's a little cheaper when you use cash instead of the card. But like I said, it's a Sunday on opening weekend, so right now the crowds are pretty... I haven't been here before, but other people I've heard mentioning it, they're like, yo, we're only here staying for a little bit because the crowds are a lot. Come in the week if you can. So Dan just came back because he got this drink. How much was this?
So this is $8.
That's the strawberry
a refill
lemonade.
Is $5. And the thing is, it sounds like but most drinks are about $3 to $4.
Yeah.
So, and this is a little larger than those drinks. So
that guy looks like Joe Budden.
The flavor is actually pretty good.
Yeah, flavor's good. Not overly sweet. It's a little tart because they put the rind of the lemonade, of the lemons in there.
That's not till the end that you get that. Like
I taste it, but it is good here. Like I said, it's not like overly sweet, especially when all your options can be like sodas at times. It is like a good, it is a good option. So we're not doing any rides because Kellan is like not feeling it, but he's just not used to like a big crowd. There are a lot of strawberry themed items, but it is basic like carnival fare.
Very mini, like carnival.
Yeah, but everyone tries to have something strawberry related.
Some of the booths don't seem to care. They're just doing it.
Yeah.
But like, there's only so much you can do. Like, if you're a funnel cake, then like, yeah, you can do that.
Exactly.
When your thing is like pizza.
So we've been to Miami-Dade Youth Fair, Broward Fair. Is this comparable in size?
This is smaller than the Youth Fair.
Okay.
By far. Miami, Youth Fair is a much bigger thing, which can be positive and negative.
Yes.
This is the kind of thing you can come to, and it's not a full commitment. Like, the magic show is on right now.
Yeah, it should be probably like finishing, if not finished. At night they have concerts for an additional like $40, like $20 to $40 depending on the artist.
The
like,
youth
that's
fair
cool.
kind of feels like once you go there, it's like a commitment. Even if you came in the daytime till stay till night,
Yeah.
this you wouldn't feel that bad about coming, do 2 rides, buy something.
Because it's not that big. I think you could run through it a lot.
Or at
quicker
least
than
run
youth
through
fair.
what you're gonna be interested in.
So if you know you
leave
came for the
and
food,
still have your day.
like for me, I don't leave a fair without having fun. Okay, so I got that. But like I was telling them like the prices are kind of high, but I'm like food in general is high.
It's hard to tell if it's the
And I haven't been to a fair in a couple of years now. So yeah.
just I would like look around because like the days of like, oh, I'm gonna get a little here, a little there, unless you're gonna spend like $100 budget, like kind of scout everything and then kind of see what you want to commit to, because like the turkey leg was like $17.
If at Disney, he told me the other day,
$15 and I was
we were tripping over it.
I was tripping.
So it's more expensive here or more expensive?
Yeah, it's here is like $2.
It's $2 more. Okay, so it is expensive, but it is a fair, and
But
you
the
are
turkey
coming.
leg looks better than the one at Disney.
Ooh,
I
okay.
will say that.
I
didn't taste it.
might get one.
didn't
I
taste
might
it.
get one
But it
and we
looks,
share, but we'll see.
You know,
But I just want to give you a update on like how's it going at the Strawberry Festival. We're in the shade right now because it's in the 80s, mid 80s, high 80s right now. So we're in the shade, chilling,
yeah,
waiting
there's not
for
a
our
lot of
friends.
shade here. I will say that. There's
not a lot of seating.
like, covered areas.
Yeah, not a lot of seating. We didn't go inside of any of the like show areas because they have some animals in one of them, and like they had some chickens and like big goats in one of them, and another one for like rabbits. Okay, and then another one for like quilting and stuff like that. So
There are pigs here too.
yeah, so like farm animals, knitting, quilting, and stuff like that. But it seems like there is a mixed crowd of like different diverse people, diverse activities. You know, 'cause like I said, I'm here for the food. I'm not really here for fair rides because fair rides sometimes break down.
I don't know if Lisa touched on this, but one thing that's really good about here is very similar to the idea of like Epcot. This has multiple entrances and exits.
Yes. So we're in gate
it's
1.
not
Our
funneling-
friends are in. Came in gate 5. So
It's
yeah.
not funneling you in through one way and out one way.
The food is kind of in. I haven't looked at a map, but the food is kind of on one side of the place, and
Closer
then
to gate 1, I would say.
yeah, and then the rides are kind of in another area. So like I said, if you're coming here for the rides, you'll definitely kind of be in one area, and then the food you're kind of in the next area. But we're probably not gonna stay that much longer. The sun is getting a little better, but we're probably not gonna stay that much longer because I got my food. I'm good. And the kitties.
I usually bring my hydration pack when I go to the parks. That's not a bad idea here.
Yeah, I told him to, but we were like, so we didn't have water, but I don't think we're drinking enough anyways. And like I said, drinks are expensive, so think about that when you come.
If you can come in a week, if you could come with a lower crowd, you know, it'd be. I think you might have a little bit nicer of a time. So, since Lisa wants to complain about my camera work,
You just check. Okay, so typical fair rides, you have your little tiny roller coaster, round and round roller coasters. You have Dumbo, you have a Ferris wheel, you have the swing over there, you have a carousel. Again, like I said, typical fair rides. Kids of all sizes are able to ride it. I believe the rides are more kiddie area, like small kiddie area options instead of like adult rides. She's off. Okay, so we are leaving. Woo. Dan got his Zule whip.
It's the way around the copyright.
Watch the lies.
It's Dule.
Watch the lies.
Lay whip.
So thank you to the Florida Strawberry Festival. We had a great time. We are leaving out.
Thank you for Dule whip.
Okay, I want you guys to know he came up with that. That is not
non-specific.
Okay, when people start calling it Dule whip, he's giving kisses to everybody. Bye. Who are you saying bye to? He's sending kisses and.
You need to wash your hands.
Oh, like for real? Dan is always saying, yeah, wash your hands. Like for real, wash your hands. Like it's very dusty out here right now. Just because I think where it is, it's kind of dusty, and then you're scratching your face and all that stuff. So we're really dusty, and underneath our nails are pretty dirty as well.
Sorry we didn't get that much footage, but we were hanging out with family.
Yeah, that's kind of it, because it is our first time. We were just kind of taking in the beauty of the festival. So out here you will see them selling strawberries. In the back, Witch Farms is a strawberry company that I've purchased at Aldi and Publix. So it was cool to see them like actually selling like right here in their like hometown, I guess. I'm tempted to buy kettle corn, but I'm not going to. But yeah, so we didn't get a lot of footage, but we did have a great time. And we're heading back to the car now. And as soon as we get home, we're going to bathe because like I said, it was pretty dusty. But a lot of people are heading out now because they have a concert tonight. And pretty much like every night there's a concert. Friday night was Boys to Men, and you know how I love a live performance from Boys to Men, so that was pretty cool to know that at least, you know, like they have big names that come. So next year that might be something that we come back for, is to see Boys to Men. But I'm pretty sure because some of the members, I know for sure one member lives in Central Florida, so I'm sure they frequent every year or so. You are near the Central Florida area and you want to check out the Strawberry Festival, this is in Plant City. You can just Google it. It is $10 for admission. It's only running for about a week and a half. So by the time you see this, maybe there's only going to be a couple more days left. So if you can, check it out and eat some strawberries. Alright, I just want you guys to see the VIP parking we had. We had parking right here in the front. You want to tell them how much the VIP parking was?
This was $10. And the claim was the money went to
this was not really VIP parking,
elementary,
but it is really like across the street.
Yeah, it's pretty good distance. It's not too close.
This is close to gate 1. Again, there are multiple entrances, but gate 1, this is, I'm gonna show you the school. Right. William Jennings Bryan School.
No, this is like my first like small town like fair like carnivals. I've been to like smaller carnivals, but
I haven't.
It's usually just like
even
the rides and
even
the
in my time at UF, I never went to any small town festivals.
See, and like it's never really, the ones that were down south were never really around anything. They're not like, this is literally around the strawberries.
The
like
people that live in this area, they might not directly in this day and age, but their great or whoever came here initially maybe as strawberry farmers, yeah, or they were helped in the industry of some sort. Now, like I said, it might be a bigger city. You know, I don't want to talk about Plant City like I know, but there's generations that were built on this, so it's a smaller town. So like people come for this.
Like this, it signifies something. You know, like the strawberry is the first thing that like signifies the end of winter, because it's the first thing that I think comes ripens.
True. Yeah.
So it's like I'm not used to that. It's just, it'll just be like, oh, we can we have a lot that's empty. We'll just kind of throw like a fair and
yeah. Usually,
not to knock that,
what I'm
like,
used to is down south is like, okay, this is a lot. Okay, sunflower time. We farm sunflowers. We farm blueberry. Like it's not like
there's a tradition to this.
Yeah.
Without it being like, oh, like way back, you know, it's you know.
Yo, you know what's actually kind of interesting? I would think
Small-town
you would have looked up like Plant City and like if there's any like horror stories or something connected to that. Dan really likes that type of stuff.
Yeah,
so
I mean,
this kind of like trees like this, I always find like creepy, especially at night. So this is why I'm also like, yeah, let's get in the car and drive off. So I'm sure like, you know, you can do like a creepy, what is it, creepy pasta, like kind of storyline for here. The sun is setting over there. Trust me, we love a good outing. And we didn't really do much, and that's okay. Like I said, it's our first time. We're here chilling with some family, and we are enjoying kind of being newbies to this festival. Next year we might venture and do a little bit more, but right now we just kind of wanted to take in what the festival has. But it is, what time is it, baby?
6:20.
It is 6:20, and a bunch of people are just arriving. Like I said, there's a concert tonight with Lauren Diago. I'm pretty sure I messed up her name, but she's a Christian rock, I think Christian alternative music artist that I love. And if I knew Kellan could handle it, I would suggest that we would do it. It's $40 per person, additional to the entrance to get in. But I really enjoy her music. So if it was maybe 3:30, maybe could have tried to, you know, push it, but yeah. But again, thank you guys for joining. We really appreciate all the love and support. If you haven't done it already, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification because we do this often. Dan, the man, aka Mac, the love of my life, always here. So
No, don't climb over there.
I'm pretty sure Lauren is probably in that limo. And if you are in Plant City, check out Strawberry Festival.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.